Celestino.
And I'm Erianne Celestino.
And today we're going to a Treetop adventure site.
Go Ape! Let's go!
Go Ape is an outdoor adventure which includes treetop challenges you will face along the journey. The courses are mainly made up of zip lines, bridges, rope swings, walkways, ladders, and wooden tunnels. All participants will be asked to wear the appropriate harness for safety reasons, and you will also be given safety instructions which are necessary to be followed during all the activities you will be doing. Having that said, everyone is still able to have fun while being safe. Whether you seek experiencing something new to try out,
Okay, this is easy. No, because I'm not even looking down.
or an adventure with your friends and loved ones,
I'm trying to film while I'm doing this, so good luck to us. You can see them there. And Andre.
this might be the perfect idea for your next activity to be crossed off on your to-do list. Maybe you'll decide to make it a solo experience instead. Even so, this is still a great way for you to feel free and clear up your mind from everything for a bit. At the end of this adventure, you will surely have a feeling of achievement and satisfaction. So, let's get started.
And we're done with our last one. Hi guys, so basically we're finished with our course today and we really had fun. What was your favorite part?
The zip lining.
Yes,
What about
of
you?
course. As for me, my favorite part, apart from the zip lining, was the steady parts where you just had to walk or you could even run on it. So yeah, I think that's a wrap for today. And once again, I'm Eribelle Celestino.
And I'm Erianne Celestino, and we live in interesting times.